In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change music length in Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then hold down on your story and select Add to your story. That will open up your camera roll, and from here you can select any picture, let it be that one. Then hit at that stickers icon and select music sticker. If you can't find music sticker here, you can use search. Then select a music that you want to add to your Instagram story, let it be that one, and then in order to change music length, all you have to do is just stop right here, and then you will be able to select any length from 5 to 15 seconds. I'm gonna select 5 seconds and hit add done. After that, once you did the same, you should select the exact part of this song simply by dragging this timeline, and once you have selected, just hit add done. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.